How to choose which apps to send notification on iPhone. There is tendency to have different apps on your iPhone, and sending notification sometimes can be annoying, not disturbing. So you can customize which of these apps that you need to receive notification from. So tap on settings. Once tap on settings button, go ahead and tap on general. Under general, scroll up a bit until you see background app refresh. Tap on it. Once tap on it, then come over to this button where you see background and refresh. This button, tap on it and select either Wi-Fi, data and cellular. Make sure each of one of these is selected. Once you've selected that, then you have access to the apps like this. You can see that these apps here can send me notification. So if I don't want to receive any notification from this app, all I have to do, guys, is very simple. Tap on this icon at the front of each of these app and toggle it off. You can see you can toggle it off one after the other, or you select which of these apps you don't want to receive notification from. It's easy, and you can tap on them and toggle it off. And if you want to stop receiving notification from any of these apps, just come back to this place, then tap on off, then come back here. You can see that the notification button has been toggled off, so you will not be able to receive notification on any of the apps here because it has been toggled off. Now that you've done this and you want to receive notification from specific app, yes, you want to get notified by a specific app, is what you have to do is very simple. Come back here again, come back here and scroll up once you get to settings. Under settings, then scroll up until you get to notification. Tap on notification. Once tap on notification, you have to scroll up to the specific app you want to receive notification from. Here you can see that we have different apps here. So I want to start receiving notification from one particular apps here, which is one of the best app I use on this platform, and that is this my email address. Tap on it. But tap on it, it comes up like this. You can see that this one is toggled on. Then you can tap on any of these time sensitive. All this you can enable them. Then you can enable send. Then as well you can tap on temporary. At this time you can tap on persistence. This has to do with you. Then you can see show preview if it's like never or always or when unlock default. So you can select all this. So this is the same process, guys, on how to enable notification for specific apps on iPhone. If you get this tip and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.